Right, this is Novoten 10 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Cape Town City. North, my brother, how's it?
I'm fine. How are you?
Good, man. Bagania.
Yes.
You came to Loftus tonight.
Yes.
We saw your game last night.
Yes.
You are very happy, excited.
Very much happy.
Yeah, but tonight's game, how do you feel about the match?
Well, I just want to be impartial. Credit to Sundowns.
Yeah.
First thing first. I was not happy with the first goal. It's very much questionable.
The thing is an offside or what?
Yes. I had to go to the reviews, and I saw that Shalulile was in an offside position. However, we don't want to go into the details.
The problem is that we want to win that one because, our referees week in, week out, they are disappointing us.
Yes, but the improvement is getting there. I don't want to discredit them holistically, but the improvement is getting there. However, what I want to pinpoint is that PSL is getting much more observation as compared to previously. That thing of Sundowns being an outright winner without a competitor,
invincible players, teams,
it's slowly becoming diminished.
Exactly. Because of you, yeah?
Yes, because of Barrett, yes.
Because I remember last season, you won 4 cups.
Yes.
The past 2 seasons, you won 4 cups, 2-2.
Yes.
And this season you won 1, and they were saying that no, don't tell us about cups. You must compete in the league. And now by Chachare.
Yeah, no, but Pirate is the only team that is, in as far as we know, in terms of my recollection, is the most recently team that won a cup. But I don't want to speak about that.
It's a relevant team.
It's a relevant team so far. But what I want to give a credit to is that our football is maturing. Sundowns is playing a very good football. I was hoping that Cape Town City was going to come to the occasion and give it probably a draw. But there was
at least score a goal.
But there was a bit of lack of confidence. I don't think
they even got a red card.
They even got a red card. You understand my point? But Sundowns leading to the next game. My prediction is that I want Kaizer Chiefs just to come and change the dynamics a bit.
Disturb them.
Because they're too pompous. They think football is about them. You understand? But it's not about them. Things are maturing. You see?
Now are here now.
Besides Pirates is out of the.
No, we must credit Pirates. Pirates is doing it.
No, I don't want.
It's cookie.
I'll be equally pompous about Pirates. But I'm trying to be humble and
no, you want to interject?
Let me start by congratulating Pirates to grace us with their presence.
Give me a handshake. Let me shine.
The standard of football, it means that you are learning.
Yeah, we're learning.
It has improved very much. I was impressed yesterday about the young man by taking a beautiful goal. That's what I'm saying. This is proper development.
This is what we wanted for fun.
Yes, especially the young ones to be introduced. Today I was expecting Mabera to come in and play his part. You understand? This is the Cape Town City. They're not. He's our hoodoo team, but I expected Mabera to be here today.
Exactly. Last season you were invincible until the last game.
The last minutes. That's our revenge. That's our revenge today. So it was a sweet revenge. I'm not impressed with Salazar's Neomayama's fitness level. Also, it's not up to standard. But so far, so good. I'm still going to fight with the coach for not playing our best player, our best midfielder in South Africa. Wherever we want, it will come to a push that we supporters, we must force now the coach to
but that's not advisable. As supporters, you need to support whatever that the coach is giving you, even though we know that our ego sometimes
prevails.
Exactly.
Yes.
But as supporters, if you can force your coach to do this and they lose, they're gonna fire the coach. Well, now you'll remain there forever. You're not here. You didn't bring your CV when you came here. You are here forever. Then they came here just for 3 years and all that. But I think you need to, as much as supporters, we always say, we want this player, you have won tonight 3-0, 3 points, a clean sheet.
Look, I'm happy. That's what I'm saying. I'm happy. For us, That's why I said in the midfield, you saw Batusi. He was a very busy man. He was a very busy man. He didn't have cover at times. That's what I'm saying. Normally when we play Batusi and Teboho there in the middle, we can play very well with the two CDMs.
One
with
can
Alan,
even push.
You understand? With Alan, and there was a time where we had a free kick there. He's a specialist.
No one was there to.
He's a specialist.
Exactly.
That's why Hugo Bros called him to the meeting. He called him to the meeting, Chief. You need to play the guy.
Please.
Understand? What I'm saying to the Kaiser Chiefs, you must come in. No. As I hear that you have drew there. You drew there
against Mamelodi.
And you're a big team. You are filling up each and every stadium around South Africa. So you need to show up as well.
I just want to ask you a general question. You see, Navi now is currently cooking.
Okay.
Mamelodi beat Pirates. It's fine. I'm a Pirates fan, but on Saturday.
I thought you were a Chiefs fan.
No, I'm a Pirates fan, but on Saturday, I will be fully supporting Chiefs.
Oh, beautiful. Okay.
Mamelodi is a big team.
Currently, your father.
Currently, it's a big team. Mamelodi. So I want to know, according to you, with that play you are playing there, will you be able to beat Chiefs?
Look, Sundowns is unpredictable. We have quality.
Because now
we have quality.
Now listen again. That boy.
So what I'm saying, Saturday.
Over 13 years.
So Saturday, come. Let you come and witness the best ever football.
But as far as you can see, Shabana scored 2 goals within 5 minutes, and it's a young boy. Just look at the overview. Back where they are playing. 2 goals, 5 minutes, under 22.
This is
The team that has beaten Pirates.
It's a first season. That's the answer. It's a first season.
Look, to wrap it up, I'm saying, come Saturday, FNB Stadium, come and witness tiki-taka football at its best.
Chiefs fans, they say that, last time you played there, you never beat them. They were beaten by the tie. So now it's 90 minutes now. You're going to have also extra time if there's no need. Do you think you're going to go there with this confidence?
Look, last season, we played Kaiser Chiefs. Last game, we gave them 5. We started this season. We gave them, with Nabi.
We gave 2-1.
We gave them the 2-1.
But what I'm saying is that they say it wasn't a convincing win because of the time was not on their side.
Look, this weekend we expect the linesman, the assistant referee to pitch up.
Abongile
to pitch up. We don't want Abongile Tom this time around.
Abongile Tom, we need you.
What I'm saying,
just to wrap it up as well, in conclusion to what they've said. I'm just appealing to the officials. This is the big game that we are looking forward to. On
Category A game.
Yes, Category A game. You understand? I'm just appealing that let them tune up. If needs be, that they must avoid social gatherings a night before, so that their decision making can be very much impartial. Let it be so for the best interest of soccer in our country. You understand what I'm saying? Because these are the minor things that comes to disrepute the nature of the game. Yes, because tomorrow, the following day, we come to the reviews and say, was it offset or not?
On Monday.
On Monday.
Nonsense.
We don't want such.
Exactly,
But from my side, I'm not siding with Chiefs, but I'm just hoping that Chiefs, if Chiefs can put more effort, so that it can shake Sundowns.
Exactly.
So that Sundowns can make self-introspection the following day. That the younger ones.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much for coming to you. Thank you so much for supporting the channel.
We need you Saturday.
Thank you so much. Make sure that you subscribe. Please help us. Make sure that you subscribe and help us to go to 10,000 subscribers. Thank you so much.